In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Lens. Google Lens is a free tool that allows you to search the world around you using your phone's camera or photos. To use it, first, open Google on your phone. In the search bar, next to the microphone icon, you will see a camera icon. This is the Google Lens option. Tap on it and your camera screen will open. At the bottom of the screen, you will see a small preview of one of your recent photos. Tap on it to open your gallery, where you can select any saved image. If you want to search for information about an image, tap on it and Google Lens will analyze the photo. You can also adjust the selection by dragging the corners to focus on a specific part of the image. After that, drag the result panel up and you will see relevant information about your image. If you want to find visually similar images, tap on Visual Matches. Google will show you related photos and similar objects. For example, if you have a picture of a dog and want to know its breed, select the image, drag up the results panel, and Google Lens will display the breed name along with additional details. If you prefer to search in real time, you can use your camera instead. Tap the camera icon, point it at an object, and take a picture. Google Lens will process the image, and you can swipe up to see relevant search results. Google Lens also helps in shopping. If you take a picture of a product, switch to the Products tab to find online stores selling that item, along with its price and availability. Another powerful feature is text translation. If you want to translate text from an image, go back to the camera view and capture the text. Then, tap Translate and the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. The first language will be automatically detected, and you can choose the target language from the options. Google Lens will instantly convert the text to your selected language. You can even copy this translated text and paste it elsewhere, and that's how you can use Google Lens.